What up? Welcome to Island on a Plate, where I give you guys my point of view on Caribbean ingredients, spices, food, dishes that I enjoy using and I enjoy eating myself. Sit back, relax, and let's talk about Caribbean food. Let's talk about Culantro, aka Chardon Béni, aka L'Oseille. When it comes to the flavor profile of the Culantro, you can say that it is strong, pungent, robust, more concentrated than cilantro. Predominantly in Haitian cuisine, we use this when we're making soup joumou. It adds that extra depth of flavor that we love, that earthiness, that little bitterness that we enjoy. We have countries like Trinidad and Tobago where they call this Chardon Béni. It is used for the green seasoning and also to make hot sauces. In Dominican Republic, they add this in sancocho and beans. In Puerto Rico, it is used to make sofrito, which is the base for making the meats, the seafood, the rice, and what. Culantro grows easily in tropical climates, and you can find them in any backyard gardens. Some see it as a healing herb, and they use it to make teas and remedies for cold, flu, fever. Symbolically in the Caribbean, it is seen as authenticity and heritage. And whenever people don't add it to certain dishes, people always say, oh man, this is missing what reminds me of home.